If you have been following me in this period, you will notice that we are on blogging tutorial where I teach how you can really make money on Google through blogging. And if you are new to this channel and you haven't watched the previous videos, I will link them in the description below, or you click on the video showing up here. It will take you back. It will take you to the playlist in which you can watch the full video from the beginning. So in today's tutorial, I'm gonna start from where we stopped, and in that tutorial, in our past tutorials, I taught you, I explained everything, how and what blogging is, how you can really start a blog in 2023, and we just finished on how to choose a niche and how to choose the right platform for your blog. But in this tutorial today, I want to show you how you can really start a free blog, because I told you I will show you how to start paid one and I will show you how to start a free one. And I told you I will tell you the advantages of free and the disadvantages. I also tell you the advantages of paid and also the disadvantage. But before we get to that, I want to start with the free one, and I want to really show you how you can design, where you can design websites for free. I told you you don't need to pay money for coding. You don't need to have coding idea. All the codings you need have been done. You just need to pick a template and customize it and make it your own. So I will show you few platforms that allows you to do that for free. So let's dive into it. I have like 4 websites here that I want to show you, 4 platforms that I want to show you. And take note, out of these 4, you can 2 will allow you to make money out of it, even if you have not upgraded the account. What I mean, 2 of these platforms, you can connect them to Google AdSense where you can make money from it. But 2 of these websites, you can't do that except you upgrade your account to a paid one. So let me know in the comment section, what is your goal on blogging? Are you creating a personal blogging where you just want to, your goal is not to make money from it? So, or are you going into it to make money from it? So go to the comment section and tell me your goal right there. If you're for paid, if your own goal is to make money from blogging, just write there in the comment section, online store. Show me a platform that can give me access to Google AdSense. I will give you it. I will reply you. And also, if you are not doing it to connect to AdSense to make money, also write in the comment section below, say online store, which platform should I go? I don't want to connect it to AdSense, and I will explain it to you. There's one or two, there's the two there are 2 here that it's quite easy and very, very professional. But the problem is that you cannot connect it to Google AdSense with the free version. So let's jump into it. The first platform I want to talk about is blogger.com. Blogger.com. So you can create a website for free with Blogger. This is a free Google platform. It is owned by Google, and it's designed by Google for bloggers who do not have money to start, but they have the interest in blogging. So this platform is created by Google so that you will have access to your online, money making through blogging. So you can come to blogger.com and then create your own website from here. The second one is wix.com. You can come to Wix and create a website for free on Wix. So as I told you, if you are to make money from it, please don't forget, before you jump into anyone, write in the comment section and ask me which one you should go for. Just tell me that I want to make money from my blog. Which website should I go for? So, and the third one I want to show you is Infinity Free. Infinity Free, here you can get a free website, free domain, and free hosting, everything for free. You'll be able to install WordPress website and customize it. So that is the third one. And the last but not the least, there are many, but just these four are my favorite that I choose, that I like. I've been using them, I've tested them. So I've tested them, I know their disadvantages and their advantages. So that's why I pick out these four that I really know about to tell you, to show to you. So you can choose any of these options. So this one also is owned by Google. This is called Google site. Look at it. Look at it. Site.google. So this is a Google site, a free platform from Google that is provided by Google for bloggers that are just starting right there with no income. So you can come here to Google site and create a website. So these are the four that I know I can suggest to you. And don't forget, as I told you, don't just jump into it, so that you will not regret in the future. Don't just jump in and pick anyone. You say this one, I like this one. No, be careful, because some of them will not allow you to submit the website to Google AdSense for monetization, while some will allow you. And they are the ones that I will not allow you. They are the ones that are more professional. So, but you can start a blog. With one that is not so professional, and you can make money from it. Then later on, when you earn money from it, you can then upgrade to another website, to another one. You can move your content to another one that is more professional. So if this video interests you, please subscribe to this channel, like this video. The next tutorial is to show you where you can create a new a website, a paid website, more professional. And I will also show you the advantages and the disadvantages of them all. Something that you buy with money cannot be of the same value with the one you got for free. So subscribe to this channel so that when I upload that video, you will be notified by YouTube. Thanks for watching. We shall see in our next video.